Should I get wedding insurance? Is it worth it? We all want to believe our wedding day will turn out great. There is always a risk that something will derail it. Many couples went through this in 2020 when the pandemic meant their significant events couldn't go ahead. It is for this reason that wedding insurance exists. Marriage and insurance. While we all want to embrace the credo that love is all you need, the honest truth is that finances play a big part in all marriages. It's true for poor couples who must come to terms with their situation and whether they can create a life together, however meager. For wealthy couples, money issues raise their heads in shocking ways and can cause friction between couples that far eclipse the more realistic issues of poor couples. The most complicated is when you have two people from very different socio-economic backgrounds or two people of very different success levels and how they navigate the disparity in wealth and power between them. Life insurance, for a start, should be an absolute non-negotiable when a couple is married, especially when one of the two is mainly dependent on the other. This was especially true when women depended entirely on their husbands for every last bit of financial security. However, even now, with men and women being more equal, it's still possible for spouses to be entirely financially dependent on one another. If one partner dies, the other can be left struggling to cope financially, even if they have their own money. You and your partner need to determine how much term life insurance you need and get it sorted out. Without it, an unexpected death can be financially catastrophic. What is wedding insurance? So, with all this said, what exactly is wedding insurance and what exactly does it cover? Essentially, the primary type of wedding insurance is a policy that covers all the expenses that have gone into the day of your wedding in case of cancellation or postponement. You can even insure your dress, rings, tuxedo or suit, and even your gifts should you choose to have that extra peace of mind. This much insurance can add up, though. Still, fortunately enough, for some of these items, you do not specifically need insurance geared towards weddings. They will be covered in one of your other insurance policies. Indeed, you can generally get a single insurance policy covering everything involving a wedding. Make sure you employ the right broker to help you get the best deal you can. Weddings are simply risky events because a lot can go wrong in the months or even years between making bookings and the wedding happening. Until and even on the day itself, there are things which could force you to call off or postpone the wedding. This doesn't need to be about a breakup but could be about everything from freak weather events like unexpected snowfall to the breakout of a worldwide pandemic. It can be because you or someone very close to you falls ill. It could also be because you have a sudden financial downturn from losing a job or having your business go bankrupt. However, important wedding insurance is in those other cases. It can be a genuine lifesaver if you're now suddenly reliant on the money that you were going to spend on a lavish wedding party. Please subscribe to our channel Best for Bride for future updates and visit our website www.bestforbride.com.